Assalamualaikum dear viewers. This sharp microwave customer said there is light, there is power, but no hot. So let's see. We put some of the water. Turn it on. You can see plate is moving. It's turning on. No hot. Yeah, no hot totally. So let's see how to repair it. So I'll open all the screws. Then video will be back. Okay, dear viewers, I have removed all the screws. There were some of common problem. This is the AC bowl section, and this is the high voltage section. Yeah, magnetron, transformer, capacitor. There's high voltage diode. These all are high voltage section. So we have to see at first there is AC bowl present or not, because there is actually door switch in microwave. There is some of the door switch. If door switch is spoil, then it will not turn on magnetron. Okay, if this switch also is spoil, it will not turn on. So at first we'll see the AC bulb present or not. Then how to check? We have to use this connector. Two pin will use two connector. Yeah, there's two pin. That side one, this side one. Then that side will connect one, and this side will, then we'll turn it on, and then we have to see meter there is AC bolt present or not. If there is no AC bolt, then that means our problem is in this section. So let me connect, then I'll show you. Viewers, I have connected, see, two connector. Then I connect to the meter probe. So we have to get here AC bolt present. So if there is AC bolt present, so that means this section will be okay. So turn it on, then see there is no AC bolt. Yeah, there should be AC bolt. There's no AC bolt, so that means in this section is problem. Maybe door switch or this main switch. Yeah, so let me check properly. Dear viewers, now at first common problem, there's door switch 3, 1, 2, there is one more, and there. Okay, 3 door switch we have to check properly. So for door switch check, I have to remove this, then only I can check properly. Okay, I'll remove this panel. Dear viewers, you just check the continuity. Yeah, if it is no continuity, if you open the door, then if you close, then you will see the continuity. So that means switch is okay. There's 3 switch. Yeah, there's one. You will see no continuity here. Then if you close the door, then you will see the continuity. So I have checked the switch are okay. Then I have checked this, because this is the switch, one kind of switch, but there's no continuity. All the switches are open. It's not showing the continuity. So I have a new one. So I'll bring. Let me check the new one. How is it? So dear viewers, see, I have two new switches, and that's from another. This is the original from microwave. So there's, see, if you put beep mode, no continuity, no continuity, no. Okay, see, no continuity, no continuity. Okay, now it's off position, so I turn it on. Now it's on position. And this also I turn it on. So see, this is the new, no continuity from here, no, no, yeah, see, there is continuity, so should be here continuity. So there is continuity. So there is no continuity, see, yeah. So that means actually this switch is problem. This switch is not working. So let me open it, then maybe I can fix this switch.
So I'll open this to see this why this switch is not working.
There was, can you see it's burn here? See, it has burned inside. Actually, this switch has burned. This must change. So dear viewers, I have this main switch. So just I'll change the switch, then video will be back. Viewers, I have to change the switch. So let me turn it on. Then if it's magnetron working, everything is okay, we can see the ampere also. It will take around 5 to 6 ampere. Okay, dear viewers, it's taking around 5 ampere, 5.4. So magnetron also working. So let me screw it all back, then video will be back. So dear viewers, finally we check, tested, we keep some of water for testing. We put it 3 minutes. So dear viewers, after 3 minutes back, so let's see. Uh, Dear viewers, Alhamdulillah, so I can see water is hot. So Alhamdulillah, it's working fine. Thank you, dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.